Welcome back to the OzLap, guys. It has been a bit of a busy week, but Kenny and I have been crossing the Savannah Way. We're out here now, but we've been fishing, bring him up, barra fishing, barra tacos. It's all been going on. I'll take you back to when we dropped the boat in the other day, went out barra fishing, and Kenny got a stonker of a barra. I got a few other ones too, so we'll take you to the boat and we'll see you a bit later on. We dropped the boat in the morning and then we headed out towards the mouth, and what we noticed was that the water was really shallow up on the banks, and we found these snags and we decided we'd head over there and have a little scan around and see if we could find some fish. And little do we know, Candy managed to hook this monster of a barra, and it was a wicked start to the morning. Keep it on, that's it, fight him, keep going. Candy's on, guys, and it's a freaking good barra.
He's dragging me into
tighten up the...
He's dragging me into the...
Fight him out. I'll move the electric. Keep going. I'm moving around. Oh my God. Keep working him over. That's it. Keep it tight on him. He's pulling the boat. That's it. That's it. Bring him up. Not too much, not too hard. Just keep it tight. Oh, good work. You're doing an awesome job. Bring him over. Try and work him to me, yep. Bring him, slowly bring him up. He's going again. That's it, you're doing good. Bring him close. Oh yeah, got him. Got him. Good job. High five the freaking Osmo. Oh, guys. Candy. Get him in. That's your biggest barra.
Oh, damn.
That is your biggest barra.
That's crazy. That's wild.
What a start to the morning.
For that.
Oh, I told you they were going to smash it, and when they do, they hit hard. Does that warm you up?
Yeah.
What were you telling me just before? You were cold?
Yeah, I'm freezing.
And what are you now?
I'm bloody sweating.
Sweating. That's a great barra. That is Candy's PB barra, guys.
Sure.
You had him well hooked, so that's really good, because we were just fishing here in these little snags. It's really shallow, probably like, I'd say it's probably like 0.4, 0.5 of a meter, but he took Candy all the way around in these snags just in here. I was on the electric then, it was crazy, but...
Oh, what's that?
Oh, it's like a little sucker fish. Little sucker fish, we'll chuck him back. Oh, we saw that. Nice barra, that's a beautiful fish. That's actually probably one of the biggest ones of the trip so far. Candy's liking this little sucker fish. He must have had a little friend on him. Chuck him back.
I feel pretty good now.
Pretty stoked. I'm definitely stoked. We'll get him on the brag mat. Get him unhooked. Candy can hold him up. What a way to start the morning. Right, she's going on the mat. What does she go? Oh, 89, just off 90. That's a PB! Oh, Candy's on the board. Why do I even bother fishing? I just need to bring Candy. Oh. Nice. That's a PB barra for Candy. Nice silver coastal barra. Stoked. Give her a little shower. Oh, there you go. Woo! Fillets. This one's going in the esky. Oh yeah. Not as big as Candy's.
Should really have that net ready next time. Oh, little silvery.
Nice. So, same again. We've just been flicking these little snags behind us. Candy just dropped 2 little ones as well, again. And I just dropped one before, but these are nice little silver barras. Nice little silver barra. Look how silver he is.
Yeah, he's nice looking.
Where's he go? 65. Wait.
His size.
His size, but
And the little one.
you don't need another one, so it's going back.
Do you want to take a picture?
No, it's fine.
Okay. Ready?
Ready? It's going in.
Oh.
Little salty barra. So silver and clean. Going in. Check this out, we've just been flicking up this creek and we found this massive boat. Just old beast. So we're going to head back in and fillet this baz because I left the fillet knife in the car. But no more fish for this morning, but still a good little run. But we're going to head back out tomorrow, chuck the boat on the trailer and then head up to the beach and we're going to fillet this barra up. Let's go. So we're going to fillet this baby up, get some fillets for lunch and fillets for dinner. Whew. Let's go fillet her up on the rocks. Perfect. Perfect filleting station down here. We would have filleted it on the boat, but I left the fishing bag in the car, so, and I had the knife, so we'll do it here down on the beach, or on the rocks, which is pretty good actually.
Big fillet.
Oh yeah. Whew. That's a monster fillet, eh? Check that out. It's literally the same length as my arm. Right. There we go. Fillies. Big silver fillies. These big fillies are wash. And then we're going to chuck them in freezer bags. Wash, clean them up. There we go. Barra fillets. Usually I'd throw these ones back, but because we are on the road, living on the road, we need fillets, so we're going to be putting these to good use.
The fridge?
Yeah. Probably good now, we've got some room, just bin bagged it, so we can skin them when we get back to camp. But she's good. And here's these babies, Baz slobs, just finished skinning them up. I'm going to chop them up into little fillets. Wash. Sweet. That's dinner. It's a couple days later. I'm just getting this little fire going, but we've had a few big days on the savannah driving, but what we're going to do tonight is cook up Candy's barra on the fire. We're going to make some barra tacos, so we're going to be living off barramundi this trip. So I'm just getting the fire set up, Ryobi, light her up, and we're going to start cooking up some baz. Salads.
Of course, the main ingredient.
Fresh barramundi slab. Big chunks going on the fire.
Our onion, capsicum, tomato, and our shredded lettuce.
Get these babies cooked up. Get the fish in the fire. We're going to wrap the fish up in some foil like we did the other day. Get that cooking, and then we're going to chuck them in the tacos, and I reckon we're going to be on. It's going to be a good feed.
I reckon that do.
Yeah, that's sweet. Perfect.
And then get the baz on, put some butter and some spices in with it. Slabs. Get these babies seasoned up.
Yeah, some chunks.
Thank you,
Damn.
Baz. Perfect. Got some onion powder. Probably would be better with fresh garlic and onion, but
We've got what we got.
see, chunks of butter for it to melt in with. And pop a few of those babies on top. Perfect. Couple off to the side for it to melt into. Pop those ones on top. Now we just need our alfoil lid, and she's ready for the coals. Probably should just buy some of those alfoil trays, but on a budget. We got Barra all ready and wrapped up. Just need the coals. We'll start cooking.
Alright, it's time to get the baz on the coals. We're just going in the corner here. Just there like that. Oh, she's hot. That one, she's sizzling. Alright, I think this baby's done. She's been in there, it's nice and hot. I'm gonna get it off. Oh, hear that? Oh, she's sizzling up. Bring her over. Open her up, Candy. It's time for the reveal.
See if they're cooked.
Oh, they look good. They're steaming. Oh, that is perfect, Barra.
Perfection.
Oh, we got the sour cream, a little bit of taco sauce, the salads, a couple little jalapenos.
Make some salad. No,
Oh,
it's gonna be good. Oh, jeez.
that was a lot.
Bit
Bit of a lot.
A sprinkle of feta in there.
Send it. Crunch. What do you reckon? Out of 10.
10 out of 10. That's pretty good.
How good's
I
that?
think anything with fresh batter is pretty good.
Yeah. Look at the chunks on it. Big chunky barra. Look at this, guys. Fresh barra chunks. Fresh barra chunks straight in there. Oh,
Bit of wastage.
a little bit of wastage. The ants will be eating good. Look at that.
That's like as thick as the taco.
Does it get better than that? I don't know. It's so good. Just made a mega one. Cheers. Taco sessions are going down. How good's this fire to you? She's cranking. Sun's just starting to go down behind us. Successful dinner mish, as Candy said. We're gonna smash this out. Oh, there's a couple left there for me. So we're gonna have this, finish this, and we're gonna clean all this up. Sit down right here, chill at that fire until she's done. Watch this sunset go down, and see you on the next episode. Won't we?
Maybe.
Maybe.
If there's more barra.
More barra. If Candy keeps catching barra, so I'm obviously not doing any catching at the moment. So